Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about how you can make ePortfolio in Google site. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Alright, so let's get started. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC and search for sites.google.com. Now, the official Google Sites website will open up on your browser. Once you are on the website, make sure to sign into your Google account. After logging in, you will be sent to this page. Here, all of your past sites will be present. But if you are new to this, no sites will be present here. In order to start creating an ePortfolio, click on the plus icon. Now, a basic page will appear on your screen. Once you've created this page, you have your portfolio. Now we just need to fill in the details. Let's add a little bit of detail into our site. Go ahead and put in your full name with portfolio at the end. Now, for the title of your page, you can put My ePortfolio. On your home page, you can actually customize your header. You can change the header type. You can make it a large banner, a title, only a cover. I like the normal banner. Then you can actually change the image. I like the ones that Google offers, so I'm going to click on Change Image and select Image. You can select on whatever image you want to. Back on your home page, you have your pages to add. For the pages in the top right-hand corner of your screen, click on Pages on the right-hand side of your page. Click on the plus button, but don't click on New Link. Click on New Page for the new pages. We're going to have Vision, Resume, and Product pages. Every time you create a new page, click the Done button to add the page. Once you've added these 3 pages, they will show up in the top right-hand corner of your screen. Then the next thing that you can do to kind of add some detail and some personality to your page. So go to Themes here on the right-hand side. Click on Themes and you're able to change from a couple of different themes and a couple different colors for each theme. I like this one well enough. Let's choose this one. Back on my home page, I want to do a couple things before I actually start adding content. I want to, first of all, publish my page. Click on the top right-hand button up here, it says Publish. You're going to want to put your first name, last name portfolio, or just your last name portfolio. This is your customizable web address. If the name is taken, it will ask you to change the name. Then you will click the purple Publish button when you are finished. Then it'll be important to actually share this page with your teacher. Click on the Share button. In the top right-hand corner, there's an image of a person with a plus button. Click on the Share button, and then where it says Invite People, start typing in your teacher's name. You will see that name appear and you can click on their address. Make sure you click Send so it sends your address to your teacher. Lastly, one thing that you'll want to do is every single time that you add content, you're going to want to publish the page again. Anyways, that's it. That's how you can make ePortfolio in Google site. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.